We need to determine the value of sine 22.5 degrees. Let us begin. So here we have sine 22.5 degrees, which can be also expressed as sine of 45 degrees over 2. Now we have a standard formula that we will be using here. So whenever we have sine of the half angle A, that means sine A over 2, this is given by plus or minus, we're going to get two values, square root of 1 minus cosine of angle A over 2. Now in our case here, A corresponds to 45 degrees, which means that sine 45 over 2 can be also expressed as plus or minus square root of 1 minus cosine of 45 degree divided by 2. Now, we know for a fact that 22.5 degree that lies in the first quadrant. So here 45 over 2 degree is an acute angle and it lies in the first quadrant. So we are going to consider only the positive value. So a positive of square root of 1 minus. Now what's cosine 45 degree? That has a standard value of 1 over square root of 2 whole divided by 2. And if we simplify this, we're going to get square root of 2 minus 1 divided by 2 times square root of 2. This is going to be the value of sine 22.5 degrees.